Good evening, students. Good evening. Yeah, good evening. Good evening. My voice is audible. Yeah, okay. Yeah, good evening. Good evening. Okay. So I just share the screen. Yeah, good evening, Samsuna. Good evening, Gayatri. Good evening, Dhanush. Good evening, Sanita. Yeah, good evening, all. Yeah, I just share the screen. My screen is visible, right? For all, it's visible, right? Please comment. It's visible, right? Yeah, okay. Thanks for replying. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, guys. So yesterday we discussed about Google Ads. Okay, in Google Ads, what is Google? What is search engine marketing? And what is Google Ads? And what are the types of ads? We discussed about this. So today we are going to see about search ad. Okay, there are multiple ads yesterday we are seeing. Today we are going to see about search ad, especially Google search ad. Okay. So in this session, you can understand how search ads will be created and what are the components of search ads like headlines, descriptions, targeting, and some master bidding strategies. So these things we can explain today, and we can explain about the real campaign for creating search ads. Also, we can discuss now. Okay. Search ad. So obviously, search ad is a search engine marketing. Search ad is a paid advertisement that appears on search engine results page. Okay. So obviously, search engine results page in sense for typing Google. So we can check any ads will be now. Yeah, see here. So this is the ad. Okay, I'm searching for keyword. I'm clicking for the keyword, so an ad will be there. Okay, so like that, it's a paid advertisement that appears on search engine results page when user searches for specific keywords. So I'm searching for specific keyword here. So it's showing in the this page is called search engine results page. Okay, so the ad is showing here. See, the ad is showing in the top, and also the ad is showing at the down. Okay. We can try with different keywords like that international like with schools in Bangalore. Okay, searching for can check if an ad is running or not. Think no ad is running here. No ad is running here. Okay, so that is the ad. So it is commonly run through platforms like Google Ads and Bing Ads. Okay, but mostly Google Search Ads. Search Ads is from Google Ads also, but Bing Ads also like that ads are running. Okay, so now we are going to see about Google Search Ads only. Like this Amazon sponsored at that ad only. Okay, so this had multiple key components. Okay, they're having multiple key components. First one is headline. Every ad you're seeing the headline. I'm searching this. I think you can check this. I think that is not showing again. Okay, for every ads that should be headline will be there. Okay, the headline in the headline keyword is must. This is important thing. For every ad, headline must be there. In the headline, keyword must be used. Keyword in the sense, if you are searching international school, the international school keyword must in headline. Okay, every headline must have 30 characters. 30 characters is must for every headline. Headline should be 30 characters or less than 30 characters. If more than 30 characters, it's not acceptable. Okay, and three headlines is must. There will be multiple headlines. Around 15 headlines will be there, but three headlines is must we need to create. So for headline, the keyword must be used. If you have the keyword international school, that keyword must be there. And they're having 30 characters. Having 30 characters must be there. Three headlines must you need to create, but there are 15 headlines in the search ad. So this is the headline. Then description. Description in the sense here you can explain about the detail about your business. For example, also CTA in the sense call to action, or like that they want to take the next step, click now, like that login, apply now, like that whatever you can do, those things you can add in this description also. Okay, this description is about 90 characters. This character it shows 30 characters. This description it shows 90 characters. Okay. Display URL in the sense it is actually it is the URL. For example, if you give your website is this, if you give this website is this, you can give this website as the display URL. Okay, here you can add your keyword also, but display mostly display URL they are not using, but this is also function they are having this. Then that's a step called final URL. Final URL in the sense the actual landing pages user directs upon the clicking that. Okay, if people clicking that, people someone clicking that, that ad moves to some page is going there, that is a final URL. If they're clicking some of that, so if they click that, it will moving to some page, right? That is final URL. For example, so this is the ad here, photo editing software, people searching for photo editing software. This is the headline, the photo editing software for beginners free trial. This is the headline. Here, the Luminar Neo equips with powerful AI tool. That is the description. Okay. So headline should be 30 characters, description should be 90 characters. Okay. This photo editing software here it's going to one page www.skylum.com. This is the final URL. So when I click this page moves to skylum.com. So that is the URL, final URL. Clear? This is the final URL. Understand what I'm saying? Voice is breaking. Now it's clear. Voice is breaking for all. If clear, type clear. Okay, okay. Clear, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. So final URL in the sense the actual landing page where the page is going. Okay, that is the final URL. Then extensions. Extensions in the sense it's the additional information. For example, in the if you go to here, this ad. See, the photo editing software is the headline. This Luminar Neo equips is the description. This Skylum.com is the final URL. Here, see here, fix backlit photos, easy sky replacement, erase imperfections. This is the extension. This is the additional information of the ad. The ad giving additional information. That is the extension. Same here. Here, imagine goodbye Lightroom presets. This is the headline. Meet Imagine, formally Imagine AI. It's a description www.imagine.ai.com. This is the final URL. Here, pricing our talents, knowledge center, podcast blog. That is the ad extensions. Got it? That is the additional information about your ad. So that is the ad extensions. CTA in the sense it's call to action. If someone, for example, if you go to this, if you go to the website, see here submit. Here I'm submitting all the information. Finally, I just able to click something that the submit. Here submit is the call to action. Like they click now, apply now, book a free consultation, get started today. People start trying to click some activity, right? So it is a call to action. Clear? Okay, clear. There is a call to action. Okay. So like what we are using for the search ads, there will be for keywords must be used. Specific keywords or phrases you are bidding on that should be on relevant search query. For example, I am searching here. Here I am searching for photo editing software. Okay, I am searching for photo editing software. So some here this keyword will be showing. The keyword must be present in headline photo editing software. Okay, so listed thing here download outside the photo editing will be there. So the keyword must be present in headlines. So headlines must have the keywords. Even description also, if you having keyword, that's the best for thing. Okay. So photo editing software, keyword must be present for it. Yeah. So keyword must be using for this. For keyword, you can use AdWords keyword planner and select the keywords there itself. Okay. Then bid amount. Bid amount in the sense, for example, this here two ads will be showing. For photo editing software, here Skylum.com will showing and the Imagine will showing. So for Skylum are paying some money to the Google, they're bidding something, and Imagine are paying some money to the Google. Okay, based on the bids only, it will be ranking first, it's second. But it's not only for bidding, it having some other reasons also. But here, this is a common thing for bidding. Okay, for bidding only, it will be ranking. Next, ad rank. The ad rank, it Ad rank in a sense, see if I'm searching this photo editing software, it is why the Skylum is ranking first, this image is second rank. Because it is because of these three factors. This ad positions in search results based on bid amount and quality. Okay. For example, how much they are bidding like that. Then quality score. Quality score in the sense, for example, quality score depends on three factors. Keyword must be present in the ad. See the photo editing software present in the ad, so that is also important. If you go to this URL skylum.com, that same keyword must be present in there also. So photo editing software present in ad and also your landing page, and also it depends on cost. Who are spending more cost? So quality score depends on three factors: cost, keyword present in ad, and also landing page. So this depends on ad rank it will be showing. Okay. Wilson. Okay. So like that, the ad rank will be using for this. So these are the steps for searching ads for creating this Google Ads. Okay. Here, see this ad is here you are searching this photo editing software. So some ads will be running, right? These ads will be running based on there will be structure, campaign structure will be there. We can see that only next step. But before that, every campaign have some structure. Okay, yesterday I can discuss that same thing. So again I am telling for this, there's every campaign they having this structure. Okay, so I just start with the notepad, just a minute. Just Okay, so here yesterday I can tell about this account. It's a Pradeep account. So I'm creating campaign for Arcade School. Then ad groups Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi. Ads Bangalore ad, Chennai ad, Delhi ad. Then keyword like that. These things, these are the basic steps, right? So now we are going to create for uh, one single campaign. So here account same account. It's the Pradeep account. I'm just adding for this. So here campaign. We are going to create a campaign. So campaign we are creating for Arkids International School. So campaign name is Arkids International School. Okay, this is the campaign. In the campaign, we are going to add ad group one. Okay, so ad group one is Bangalore. Okay, only we are creating for campaign ad group. Okay, in this ad group, we are creating ad one for Bangalore ad. Then keywords, we are adding multiple keywords. Keyword one, keyword two, keyword three, like that it will be going. So this is the structure for creating the campaign. So account is the sense it's a Pradeep account. So I'm creating for campaigns Orchid International School. So ad group is we are creating campaign for Bangalore based only. Then this is the ad and this is the keywords. This is the structure for it. Clear? Any doubt on this? Clear, right? So this is the basic structure for creating this campaign. For this only we are going to create some campaign for now. Okay. Clear? Any doubts on this? Clear, right? Yeah, yeah, the wiki. It's based on location specific, or also basically you can go with location specific. That is better for you. You can understand easily. So location specific are also types. If the business have multiple services, you can add services also. For example, if if the business is about digital marketing, SEO is one ad group, Google AdWords is one ad group, then social media marketing is one ad group. Like that, segment services also you can based on this, and location specific also you can do. Better you can go with location specific, then you can understand easily. Clear? Okay. Okay. So this is the tools. So now we are going to create the campaign for this, for the real-time campaign. Okay, just go to Google Ads. Just type Google Ads. You just type Google Ads. So this is the interface for Google Ads. Google Ads customers and sell more to online advertising. You just click this. Here you just log in with sign in. So this is the interface for Google Ads. Already you can you see about this keyword planner also. Here only you can go for tools, keyword planner. So if you're searching for any keywords, that you can search keywords here. Okay, so like that, a similar tool only, but the options will be different. We can go for now. So just go to start with create campaign. See here, once you select the search campaign, this is the first step for it. Okay. See, this is the based on different business goals it will be created here. Okay. For example, if your business wants, if you are the e-commerce business, like Flipkart, Amazon, like that, if you want more sales for your business, you can choose your objective sales. Okay. If your business wants more contact, more details, mail ID, customer contact number or name like this, you want more details from the customers, you just choose leads. Okay, you having this website, more people to see your website, you having the web, you having you need to have more website visitors for your website, choose website traffic. If you're having app, okay, you want to promote your app or people want to download your app, install your app, like that it will happen, you can choose app promotion, like this. Okay, awareness and consideration is completely about the massive people want reach your website. Okay, your ad will be reached to massive people. That time you can use this awareness and consideration. Okay, local shop visits and promotions. If you are a business about Chennai, Hyderabad, or Bangalore, any specific city, you just market your in local area. You can use this local shop visits and promotions. So these are the variant types of objective based on the businesses. If you want more sales, you can use sales. If you want contact information, you can get leads. If you want more visitors to your website, you can choose website traffic. If you want to promote your app, you can choose app promotion. If you want more people to reach your thing, use awareness and consideration. If you want to promote your local shops, you use local shops and visits and promotions. So based on the business requirements, we can choose this. Yeah, see, you just go to Google, type Google Ads. Someone is asking that how to go this. Go to Google Ads. Just log in with this Google Ads. Then sign in with this. So automatically this interface will come in. So for you, they're having some basic information for adding some information like basic ad. Then once you're done, you can log into this page. Clear, clear, Devaki. So like that, you're adding this. So once done, you can choose this. Now we are going to create a search campaign. For the search campaign, this is that completely about website traffic. So you just choose website traffic. Okay, website traffic is campaign we are choosing for this. So just once you choose website traffic, just scroll down. The next option you can give continue here. Okay, continue. Now we are going to select a campaign. See here, yesterday we see about multiple campaigns: search, performance max, demand gen, display, video, shopping. So these are the multiple campaigns for this. So now we are going to create search campaign only. Search campaign, it's showing ads to text ads. So I'm selecting for search. So once select, then it's going to campaign, it's your business website. Which website you want to give final URL. Okay. So I'm just go to this website. So I need to send ads for this website only. So I just copy this website and applying here. Okay, I just applying here. And once done, I just continue here. So now we are going to create campaign name. So campaign name is must. So already we are creating this notepad for some information. So this is account already Pradeep account. So campaign name is Orchids International School. So this is the campaign name. So just adding this campaign name here. Okay. Just adding this Orchid International School one because I already created many school names, so it will be not repeated. So I just give Orchid International School one. Okay. So once campaign name it's due, I just give continue. You start new. Okay, it's loading, it's created here. So now in the campaign name we are creating campaign here. Okay, the first step we done, it's Orchid International School, campaign is done now. Okay, now we are going to create ad group. So here in the step here the bidding will be there. Bidding in the sense there will be different strategies will be there. For example, clicks, impressions, conversions, like that. Here for search campaign, mostly people wants to click their ad. Okay, if it's scrolling now, if it's scrolling, so people wants to click their ad. So I'm typing for Google Ads. It's not ad is showing now. Previously will be showing. I'm searching for Amazon. No ad is showing. Okay, so obviously this ad is not showing now. So if you're creating this ad, obviously people clicking the ad only. Okay, so use the bidding strategy always at clicks. Clicks is best for you. So people are used most for clicks only. If you use the type bidding, people the more clicks will be happen in this sense. Okay, so simply click the clicks and just give the next option. See here, there will be the multiple options here. It's Google Search Partners, Google Display Network will be there. In the Google Search Partners network, this if you're searching this, your ad can be showing in the Google search results. Okay. So if I click this, your ad can be showing in the Google search results page. Like if you are searching something, some ad will be coming in the Google search results, right? So that is there. Usually for Google search results, this will only recommend. This is the second option is Google Display Network. Okay. Google Display Network in the sense it's completely about partner sites, Google partner sites. So, for example, yesterday we see about display ads, right? So display ads in the sense your the ads will be showing in Google partner sites like 3 million sites like apps, YouTube, and also video websites like that. Your ad will be showing there. But think about this: Google search ad is completely about text-based ads. It will only showing on Google search only. So don't select this Google Display Network. Okay, they're having this option, but they are not supposed to do this. For the Google search ads, mostly we are using this Google search partners only. Search partners in the sense, obviously, it will be ranking in Google search. Google search. Search in the sense, this is the search. This is the search. Your ad is not showing, but this search will be showing. But if you're selecting this Google Display Network, this is actually functioning on like the partner sites. So if I'm searching for India today, so I'm searching for India today. See, the ad will be showing here itself. Usually people don't go to any website and see like this. People are searching text only. So it's kind of ad is display ad, but now we are creating search ad. So always use Google search ad only. Google search ad only. Clear? Understood? Clear? Clear? Any doubts on this? Clear, right? Okay. Okay. What Nilesh? Yeah. NL is having some doors. Okay. See, Google Search Partners Network in the sign. See here, ads can appear near Google search results and Google search part. Google search results in the sense, this is the Google search results. So if I searching something, currently there is no ad running now. If I searching any keyword, something, okay, I'm searching for and no ad will be showing. If you're searching something, the ad will be showing here. But currently, this ad will be not showing here, but ad will be showing here itself. So that is the part for Google search ads. If I'm selecting this Google search ads, the ad will be showing here. Okay. If I'm selecting this Google Display Network, ads can appear on relevant sites like videos, apps, like YouTube, it will be showing. But here we can Google search ad is completely about text-based ads. Okay, so text-based ads always run on Google search only. This search only will be coming. So don't select this display network. Always select for search ads. Use only this Google search partners only. Clear? Understood? Yeah, I can explain keyword also. There is a specific topic for keyword. I just explained that also. It is clear, right? Okay. So next we are seeing about this locations. For example, if you want to target any specific location, if you want to target any specific locations, you can give this. Now we are going to create. We are going to target Bangalore only. Okay, so you can choose Bangalore. If your target is about all India, you can target entire India, entire country. You can choose all country like this. If you want to target India only, you can choose India itself. Okay. If you want only specific any specific location, for example, Bangalore like this, you can target. You can choose Bangalore here. Just to include, you can automatically this Bangalore you can choose here. So if you want to select in all countries, you can choose all countries. If your target is about only India, you can choose India. If you want to target any specific location in India, you can choose like this here and Bangalore here. There is also another type will be there, advanced search. Here advanced search, go to radius. For example, if you are targeting people like that school around Bangalore, okay. So I'm just typing Arcade School Bangalore. So I'm selecting this Arcade School Bangalore. So that be in Bangalore, there'll be multiple locations will be there. So I'm choosing this for this BTM layout. Okay, I just include. See, if I want to target here around this this location, so I just looking for 10 kilometers. I just target this ads around the school about 10 kilometers. So I just save this 10 kilometers. So this for this 10-kilometer around Arcade International School, it will be targeting. So you can target country wise, you can target state wise, you can target location city wise, and you can target radius targeting also. In the city also, you can target a specific location. So those things you can target here. Clear? Understood? Clear? Like you can target the location wise. Which whatever you can target, your business can target. You can target like this. So those things you can cover here. So location options, that's your options here. Presence or interest, people in regularly or course own interest were included locations. Always select this. This option shows this people is living in your location. Okay, people is already living in your location, so they can see the ads. If you select this, people are regularly included locations. So this is if people in some other, they are in Chennai, they are in Hyderabad, they having interest in this Bangalore, those ad will be showing here. Always choose this ad, this line only, because they are already in Bangalore, being around this Bangalore. So this is the exact people targeting people. Okay. Then languages in the sense it's completely about how people getting done. For example, if you're targeting English based people, any regional based language, you can just, if your ad is about any Tamil or Kannada, like that, any language will be there. Malayalam, any language will be there, you can target that also. Hindi, you can target any language here, but mostly your ad will be in English only, so always choose English. Okay, if you are creating regional based ads like any specific location like ads, you can use that time, you can add the languages also, but mostly for running ads it will be English only, so you can use this English here. Got it? Clear? The next one is more settings. So in the more settings, there's a two options here. There's a two options here. Optimize preferred best performing ads. Do not optimize rotate ads indefinitely. There will be two ads will be there. See, optimize best performing ads in the sense you are creating multiple ads, like you are creating Bangalore on ads, you are creating Chennai on ad, you are creating multiple ads. But in Bangalore itself, you are creating multiple two or three ads. Okay, that time you are one of the ad getting more clicks. Okay, so Google automatically shows that ad to the people. So which ad is performing well, Google automatically shows the ad to more people. So that is this option. Optimize best preferring best performing ads. If you are creating two or three ads for the same ad group, Google automatically shows to the people the higher performing ad. So that is this option. Always choose this only. If you are choosing second, do not optimize, rotate ads indefinitely. It's choosing randomly. One time it's showing first, one time it's in second ad, one time using third ad. But it is mostly it will be not successful to your business. So always choose best performing ads. So best performing ads, if the more ads reaching to the best performing ads, you're getting more clicks. So this is the first option for this. Then more settings. Here this ad is showing, right. You can set the date. For example, if the ad started from 8 July, you can end with which date. You can end with 31, or you can end with August 31. Which date you can end with, you can start with. For example, you can end with 21 August. You can click this. So this ad is running from 8th July to 21 August. From 8th July to 21 August, this ad will be running. So in between, this ad is completely running here. If you don't know the end date, you just give none. Okay, if you know the end date, you can select the date. If you not know the end date, you just give them none. Automatically, it will be there. Clear. So this is the steps for creating ads within the business. Okay. Then more settings. This is ad schedule. For example, if your ad is between the specific time, okay, it in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, your ad only wants to run Monday, only Monday, just Monday. In Monday, which time you are in between? You are at between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. only one run. You just select the time also here. So you can choose 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Set railway time. So it's like this 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. you can choose. Okay. If you same, if you want any other some other time, only Wednesdays only you need, or you can choose Wednesdays. So Wednesday same time you can set. You can set same time here. So 9 to 17. So which time you want to run that, you can choose that time also. Okay, this is 17 you can choose. If you want to run ads on Saturdays, Sundays also, you just type ad and type Saturdays and Sundays. That's the option called Saturdays, Sundays. You choose Saturdays and Sundays. Here for Saturdays, Sundays, you want only 9 to 12 only. You want only you want to run the ad at 9 and 12 only. You can choose 9 and 2. The specific time you can choose for this. So like it you can create for this. So which time your ad wants to source to the people, you can choose that. That is your control. Okay. So that is then for the ad schedule. Like that you can create. If you want to, for example, if you want to add all Mondays and Saturdays, you simply select Mondays to Friday. So Monday to Friday, default you can fix the time like this. Whatever you can control, you can create like this. You can later change also. Once you set the campaign, later you want to change the campaign, you can change the campaign also. So now I'm setting 9 to 5. Later you can change the campaign, after you can change the campaign timings also. It depends on your needs. So like that you can set this. Once done, you can go for next more settings. Like we can create ad schedule. So these are not needed. Just give next. See here what we are doing. So in this page we can set Google search partners. In the Google search partners we are targeting if you're selecting this, the ad will be showing in the Google search result. Then location, which location if you want to select, you can choose this location also. Any location you can choose. I'm choosing for Bangalore location, so around 10 kilometers like this. Here I'm choosing presence. Defaultly it will be in the people regularly and who's own interest in this. Then ad rotation, I'm choosing for best performing ads. Start date, which date you want to start and which date you want to end. You can choose this. Then Saturday and Sunday ad schedule. These things you can do. Clear, clear. Search on what basis we can set the schedule, or what are the general parameters for selecting the right time to optimize your search ad getting reflected on SERP. See, for Indian time, mostly for any business, the users will be in the 9 to 6, 9 to 7 will be there. So you can set that the time. If you're in the US time or if you're in the UK time, the time will be changed. Based on your business, based on your country schedule, you can set the schedule the wiki. Okay, it's based on the country's clients needed. Clear. We'll share. Okay. So these are the things. Then we go for the next. So here AI Max. This is currently for AI. They are generating this campaign, but currently it's not using now. It's only new platform. This, but now we are going to this. You just click the next for this. So this is keyword and asset generation. This is the step. It's automatically AI can help. Beta AI can help to generate all the things, but mostly you can just skip this. For this, you can create the own thing that will be better for you. Okay, these are the AI generated based on your URL automatically generation, but don't prefer this. Always create the own generation. Just skip this. Okay. Now we are going to create the ad ad groups. Okay, this is the ad groups for the session. For ad group, we need to create for this. For every business, we need to select keywords. Okay. For every business, we need to select keywords. Yeah. Every business, we're having some keywords. Okay. You need to first once creating the campaign, you must having this keyword for this. That is the important thing. You must select the keywords for this. Before selecting the keywords, there will be three types will be there. Okay, for the keyword, there will be three match types will be there. The first one is broad match. First one is broad match. Second one is phrase match. Third one is exact match. Okay, these are the three types of keywords will be there. For broad match, for example, it is simply it's in terms of for the same keyword we are using for multiple phrase. So in broad match, it's simply digital marketing. In phrase match, it coming as double quotes. Double quotes in phrase match it will be here. Okay. In exact match, it will be in the square bracket. Okay. So in the broad match, it will be simply the keyword. In the phrase match, it's in the double quotes. In the exact match, it comes under square bracket. Okay. See, if someone here, if someone searches for in Google, someone searches for digital, someone searches for marketing, someone searches for digital landscape. Okay, like that, they can search some other. They want search for online marketing. Okay, someone searches for internet marketing. So here, if someone searches later in Google any types of keyword, it's related to digital, it's related to marketing, or it's synonyms, what are all the keywords? If someone searches for any keywords, this will be triggered. If you are using broad match, this keyword is triggered. Okay. In phrase match, if someone is searches in the Google, for example, best digital marketing, okay, or digital marketing expert. See here, keyword is digital marketing. Keyword is digital marketing. Before keyword is there, here digital marketing is there. After keyword is there. So if people searching best digital marketing before or digital marketing expert, like that, keywords will be there. It will be triggered in double quotes. It will be triggered. Phrase match is triggered. Okay. In exact match, people could have searched directly digital marketing. So this keyword is triggered. Clear? Understood? Or I want to repeat again? Clear? Yes, at the end of the session, we'll share the remotes. Nilesh. It's the end of the session. Okay, not now. Okay. Okay. So like that, we can create exact match for this. Okay. So if people are searching for any keywords, this keyword is triggered. Okay. People are searching for before and after. For digital marketing, before best will be there, and before digital marketing expert after will be there. So that time double digital marketing phrase match will be there. So directly searching for digital marketing, exact match will be there. This is clear. Broad match types is clear. Clear type clear. Clear, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is the match types for every. Okay, this is the match types for every here. Okay, for every keyword, you must select the keywords. Once you create the campaign, you must select the keywords for this. For example, if you are selecting the keywords international school, international. If you are selecting the keywords international school, you can give in the phrase match. If you're giving the phrase match, who are all searching in the Google best international school or international school Bangalore, like that this keyword will be triggered. So this is the phrase match. If you are giving international school like this, or otherwise if you are going best school, okay, just simply giving best school. I'm not adding anything. I'm giving best school. So people ask if people are searching matriculation school, private school, good school, anything, this keyword will be triggered. So this is the broad match. Okay. So next I'm giving this for square bracket. So Orchid's International School. So I'm giving the square bracket. So here people who are all searching Orchid's International School only, this keyword will be triggered. Okay. So based on this only, this keyword you can choose. Got it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for replying. Okay. Like that phrase match. In the phrase match, it's automatically it's before and after this keyword will be triggered. If it is in a normal keyword, it's synonyms to any keywords it will be related. If it is in the square bracket, that if you're searching Orchid International School, then only it will be triggered. Okay. Likewise, you can add this keyword here for this. Got it. So this is the keyword for this. If you're adding multiple keywords also, you can do. If you want to add multiple keywords like schools in Bangalore, you can give in phrase match. Schools in Bangalore. So here, if I give schools in Bangalore, if people are searching best schools in Bangalore, or if you're searching schools in Bangalore, Koramangala, like that, before and after, this keyword will be triggered. So like that, which keyword you want to give, you can give the in match type itself. It will be give the better options. Broad match usually give the many options. Phrase match it will be in the before and after options, and exact match you're only looking for the direct options. Okay. So likewise, we can split among these various types. It's clear, clear or not? Clear? Any doubts on this? Yeah, clear, clear, clear. Okay, okay, clear, clear. Okay, clear. So this is the ad setup. This is the ads for keywords. Now then we are going to create ads. So that after the break then we can continue. Okay. Then we are going to create ads only. After the break you can create. Take 10 minutes break. Then we can continue. Hey students, shall we continue? Okay, okay. Yeah, okay. I just share the screen. Okay. So after you are creating the keywords, once you can run the keywords, then now you are going to create the ads. Okay. So this is the ad it's showing in the Google. Okay. That's what Google search ad is showing in the Google, right? That ad is creating now. Okay. So in this ad, you'll be having you need to add headlines. You need to add popular keywords in the headlines, and the headlines must be unique. These are the some structures for this, and your descriptions must be unique. So like that, we can follow these rules. In the ad strength, there will be four stages. First one is poor. The second stage is it's average. Third one is good. Fourth one is excellent. If your ad is about excellent or good, it will be okay. Average and poor, we need to check. Okay, we need to optimize it. Okay. First step, we need to add this final URL. Final URL is the first step. Final URL in the sense we need to add our website's landing page. This is the landing page, right? So we just adding here. We just copy this and pasting here. This is the landing page. Okay. Display part you don't need to give this. It's a basic only. Don't need to give this. Okay. See then for headlines there will be 15 headlines will be there. One, two, three. See you can I just delete this headlines. See here, there will be 15 headlines. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It around 15 headlines will be there. Each one have 30 characters. You can see each one have 30 characters. 15 headlines will be there. Each one have 30 characters. Okay, 30 characters. But you don't need to add this 15 headlines, but three headlines is must. At least three headlines are required. We must give this. In the headlines, you give this keywords also. You just keywords, right? That keywords also you can give. You can give the your school's benefits. Like that, what are the things you can then you can add here. So now I'm adding this here, Orchids International School. So I'm just adding this keyword. Okay. So next I'm searching for best CBSE and ISC school. The two keywords I'm adding this. Best schools in Bangalore. So I'm adding three headlines. Three headlines. Likewise, you can add multiple headlines here. Headlines is must for this. Multiple headlines you need to add. But then you can add some more headlines. Best CBSE school in India. Then you can suggest Orchids boarding school. Okay. So now see here now it's going to average. Okay, like that you can add multiple headlines and descriptions. It's going to good or excellent. Okay, so here you can add what are the benefits you are having that like that you can give, like that you can give for transport facility available. So like you can add multiple benefits about the school here. In any school you can multiple benefits in the school, but the three is must. Three headlines is must. Okay, you can see this. I'm adding headlines here. It's adding headlines must be unique. Headlines will be in. It's added. Popular keywords added. Popular keywords in the sense I'm adding keywords here. Here we see here schools Bangalore. Schools in Bangalore. Here I'm adding the schools in Bangalore. So the keyword is ticked. Here best school. So best schools also will be there. So here keyword is tick. Orchids International School. I adding this here. So the what are the keywords you're having? That keyword must be in this headlines also. Keywords must be in headlines and also your benefits. What are the school's benefits we can add here? Okay, so now it's average. Then like that you can add multiple headlines. If you go for multiple headlines, the headline must be 30 characters. See, if you're adding more characters, it will be in this output space. I'm adding this. See here. So I'm adding the same headline here. It shows this headlines are identical, enter a different headline. So I'm already adding this, so it's showing like this. Okay. So only unique headlines only ads will be doing for this. Okay. So I'm searching for best schools, best international schools. So now adding 26, I'm adding some other keyword. So if I'm adding more letters, its value is red. So it's only around 30 characters only it will be 30 characters or less than 30 characters only it will be accepted. Okay, like that the headlines you can add in here. Like that many headlines. I just adding 6 to 7 only. You can add 15 headlines also. Then descriptions. Description is around 90 characters. It's around 90 characters. Here you can give the detailed information about the school. One of the best international school. In description also you can add keywords also. So that is also necessary for it. So I'm adding for one of the best international school in Bangalore. I just adding here. Here I'm just giving this Arcade School, the international school and CBSE schools in India. Here description 2 is must. What 2 is must. In headline 3 is must, description 2 is must. But you can add 4 description also. So here also you can add engage the students like that. You can add a multiple descriptions. Okay. So like that you can add the headlines. If you're adding more headlines, this is going to good also. But I'm not adding this. Just for idea I'm giving you. So like that headlines must be the ad will be headlines. Based on these headlines and description, it will be showing. So now I'm adding some headlines, right? Best CBSE schools, Orchid boarding school, transport facility, Orchid day school. Like that it will be adding. Here descriptions, best CBSE, Orchids International School and ICC schools in India. If I come to here, see the model ad, the ad will be showing like this. See here. Based on the headlines, these are the headlines you will taken from best CBSE schools and ICC schools, best international schools. And description, engaged students. This best CBSE and ICC schools, it's coming from here only. Yeah, this is here and best international schools. These two are coming and coming here. These two are coming and showing here. Best CBSE and schools, best in automatically it will be tracked. Here engaged student at the Orchids the international school, best CBSE school. These will be coming in the description. Engaged student in the Orchids, best CBSE schools, Orchids the international and CB. So these things are coming under description here. So automatically it will be triggered from your headlines and description and showing to the ads. So there are the multiple versions. We have multiple. They're having multiple versions also. So best CBS in app it will be showing like this. It's showing that best CBSE schools in India, Arcade School Day School. The app will be showing like this. So if you go to for this is like in Arcade Day School, best CBSE schools in India, location city like this. So it's showing in the multiple formats. So this is the ad. It's showing in the Google for this any specific keyword. You will be showing in the Google. Okay. But here this is the ad. Here it's showing with headlines. Yeah, here URL is there. Here Orchid School headline will be there and description will be there. We can also add site links. We can also add ad extensions. Ad extensions is the additional information. Okay, they're having multiple additional informations will be there. The first one is site links. This is the first extension for ad extension. In the site link, you just adding here. See, this is your website, right? This is your website. So in the ad itself, people want to see your contact us. So you just give a contact us URL. Just go to contact us. Just click here and copy this and give the final URL contact us. Here, site link text you can give contact us. Okay, can give contact us. See here in the ad itself, in downwards, the contact us will be there. So if anyone seeing that they want to contact us, you can they click the button and it's there directly go to this page. directly go to this page, so they can see your mail ID or whatever you can do. It's directly in the ad itself. It will be directly go to us. Okay, you can get multiple site links. The same if you want to if in ad itself, people want to know about your other thing. They want to know about your about us section like that. You want to know about this about us section. So here you can just add this URL here. Just copy this final URL. Here you can type about us. Okay, here you can type about us. So people, if directly in the ad here it's showing about us. So if people searching international schools in Bangalore, their ad will be showing. So they want to go to contact us, they click this button. If they want to know about us, they can click the about us link. Like that, you can add multiple site links. 4 site links you can add. You go to site links 3, 4, 5, 6. Like add a multiple site links like this. So the site links, in a sense, if people wants to know other, if people wants to move to other pages of our website, they can add site links here. They can add site links here. Okay, this is the site links. Okay, so this is one of the here. It's the additional information. It will be showing here. Next, callouts. Callouts is also one of the extension. It will be showing here callouts, right? This is also one of the extension. Here callout is completely about benefits. You just giving your benefits. Okay, for example, in the school you are giving a free Wi-Fi. Okay, like when you are giving this. Okay, then giving any like there are benefits, like suggestion any benefits 24 into 7, like they're giving surveillance, they're given suggestion. Okay, so you can any what are the benefits you can have this, that will be added here. See here in the ad itself, free Wi-Fi 24 into 7 surveillance, like that you can added here itself. Any benefits in the school you can list here. That is a call out. Call out is completely about benefits. In the ad, additionally after to description, it will be showing here free Wi-Fi 24 into 7 will be showing here. Okay, so that those things in the call out extension. These are all the call out extension. So there are also other ad extensions in there. For example, Deepavali or and so having some any I'm selecting this. You're selecting for Christmas or Diwali, Easter, Cyber Monday, like that, any offer. This for Diwali, you're getting some offer. So any offer you are giving for this. So like that, you can give it. Our kids school for Diwali, they're giving some offer. So if they're giving any 10 percentage discount on joining that time, so they're giving this 10 percentage. So actually, they're giving 10 percentage offer for this. So the ad itself, it will be saying in the Diwali, you're getting 10 percentage offer on fees. So you can give your item. So if you are in 10th standard or in ninth standard or any physical any like that, what thing you can give this. So I give for 10th standard. So if anyone joining for in between time that they're having this offer on 10 percentage fees, like that, I have this, like, and like that, what you can give for offer kind of promotions, you can give this in the promotions campaign. Okay, these are the promotions your offer can give this. Then prices, this is also one of the extension. Prices, you can give amount for each thing. Okay, the brand's prices, what are the things you're having, the prices you can give prices for this. Okay, for example, if you're having any products or services, any locations, events, what are like services you're having, you can give these prices also. So giving for services, any services you're having, selecting for your money, which country you're selecting for, selecting money, I'm selecting for INR. Okay, so here I'm given for in a school I'm giving for NSS camp services, like that I giving this. So for NSS camp, so charging for it's 500 rupees per student, 500 per month. So like that they can charge for this. So here you can give the prices for any specific uh, uh, the area or event like this, any prices you want to give this. So here itself it will be coming here. Okay, so like that you're giving for pricing an additional extension, it will be showing here. You can add a multiple extension here. If you're having multiple prices, you can add what are all the other activities, road track, rotary. If any other thing will be there, the road track, you can add that fee also, road track fee, you can add for this. So just adding, so randomly I'm adding this. So it's per month, it's be 200. So like that. So the additional in extension, you can add the price fee in here itself. Price fee here itself. So that is here, add extension. Here is called prices extension. Okay, this is also one of the extension here. Then call extension. This is one of the most primary people are using this call extension only. People, if they wants to know about that in ad itself, they wants to call the people, so they can use this. So just sorry, just click this calls. Just type new call. Here you can select your country, which country you can choose. The number is be there. You can choose the number here. I'm selecting for India. So I'm randomly given this number. Okay. So here the ad number will be there 98765 like that. The number will be there. Okay. So if people wants to call to your business, you can give this call extension here. So this is a call extension, additional information call extension. So like that you can add an call. If you want to give number to your business, this call extension you can do. Okay. Then structured snippet extension. Structured snippet in the sense, see, you having multiple services. For example, you're having multiple courses in the schools. You are having multiple courses. For example, they're having creative writing, like it's additional courses, creative writing, computer classes. Okay, then like that, it's mathematics, anything additional classes, any algebra class like that. Okay, like that, it's additional. It's a game, any additional thing, the school having multiple services, multiple things, that services, right? That's like that, divisions, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, like that you can add in the structured snippet. See here it will be in description, courses, creative writing, it's creative writing, computer classes, game, like that you can add multiple things. You can add whatever thing you can add here. It's coming one to next to next. Multiple classified interview, school having multiple thing you can add in here. Okay, so courses, degree programs, destinations, future hotels, amenities, so those things you can add in here. Yeah. uh, Someone is asking, I believe the more number of headlines we add, the better is for us to discover the users when they're doing Google search, right? Sir? Yeah, if you're adding 15 headlines, it will be better. People are searching something, it will be hit at your ad. So automatically your ad will be showing. Yeah, Nilesh is asking, okay, CTA. CTA is a call to action. It's finally done, finally coming, finally coming. Yeah. Okay. So this is for completely for structured snippet extension. So if you're giving multiple things, these are structured snippet extension. Then lead form extension. Lead form extension in the sense, see, if people clicking your ad, if you want to get details from the people, any, for example, you want customer name, mail id, contact number, those information you need, right? So those information you collect from this lead form itself. Okay, in the headline you can give in the headline you can give just lead form, lead collection. Just type this lead collection here. Business name you can type Arcade School, because we are cutting for Arcade School. Okay, so description don't need to give anything. I think description is not needed. If you give description, that is also no issue. Collection of leads, description. gathering details. Just given this, so it will be sweeping your kid school gathering details. So here you can add the field. For example, if you want to correct the name field, you can add name. So automatically it will be there. If you want to add here, the name will be there. If you want to add create email, just type email. So the email field will be here. There will be email field will be there. If you want to collect phone number, just type phone number. So you can add phone number here. So name, email, phone number, everything will be there. If you want some other details, street address, work information, phone number, job title, yeah, anything you can add. Yeah, if you wanted a random question, you can ask question also here. Any type of question you can ask. Due to this, you can select a question and there will be multiple question will be there. What type of property you are looking for? Based on the business, there will be multiple things, which program you are interested in. So obviously, people ask which educational degree you are interested in. You can give this. So if anyone clicks this leads, so they can ask which educational name, email ID, phone number, and which educational degree you are interested in. These four questions will be there. So you can ask the questions here. Here itself you can add a question. Initially, the ad will looking this. This is the ad. See here, Nilesh is asking this. This is the call to action. Call to action in the sense when people seeing this ad, when people seeing this ad, they need to go to the next step, right? So they click this learn more, apply now. If they click the learn more, the lead form is coming. So they give the details. So this is the call to action. Call to action in the sense it's like people want to move to the next part. So if they're seeing that and they're left out, that is no issue, no, there is no problem. But if seeing that and they click this, they want to click something, right? This is a click call to action. So they click this, is a lead to form, it will be coming. So here they're filling the name, email ID, phone number, everything will be there. So this is the call to action. Clear? Okay. Yeah, this is the call to action. So like that, you can create for this lead extension, lead form extension. You can create for this. Okay. Then apps. Once lead form is done, there's a other extension also be there. This is an app extension. If you are running, if you are having Android app or iOS app, any app, if you're selecting for Android app, you can choose Android, which app will be there. For example, if you're for Swiggy, you are running this, you just typing Swiggy. Selected that Swiggy app will be there. Swiggy ad will be there. So if you're running for Swiggy, people are just install app. They will install app. Okay, like that you can choose for Android app like this. If you're iOS app also you can choose. You can choose iOS app or any app you can. Android app you can choose. If you choose iOS app also, Swiggy is having iOS also. I think it's having this right. So it's both having like that. If iOS app or Intel app, you can run this ads for apps also. For running apps, people are clicking this and getting this data. Okay, like that. This is also additional extension for app extensions. Okay, these are not okay. So these are all the different extensions for this. Okay, so multiple extensions. It's additional information. You can add site link. You can add site link extension. You can add call outs extension. So benefits completely. Promotion is that you give any offers for this. Prices you want to show any prices, you can give price extension. Call if you want to show any numbers, you can give calls extension. Structured snippet. If if you're having multiple courses, multiple services, you can give structured snippets here. If you want to get numbers, details, customer details from, you can give lead form extension. If you want to promote your app like Android or iOS app, you can give this app extension. So the additional information you can give here. Okay, but I'm not adding anything. So I'm showing this. Okay. So like that, this is the ad here. If you're creating this ad is here. URL is Arcade International School. Arcade Day School, best CBSE school day in India. Headline. And below is description. So see here in below there's multiple options will be site link. You can add site link. It will be showing here. If you add call button, it will be showing. These are the extensions. There is also an extension before. It's a location extension, but currently it's not enabled here. Location extension is if you want to add your location, physical location, you can add your location also here. That is a location extension. That is also one kind of extension will be there. Okay, so like that you can add the multiple. Once you set the ads everything, then You can once done, you can give the done. This is your ad. This is your ad for this. So you just go for the next. So in ad itself, you give in the keywords, everything, you can URL you can done here. So done here, then you give next. So next is budget. Okay, next is budget. Budget in the sense, so Google suggesting 5,080 for budget per day, but recommended 4,200 for this campaign. They are spending budget for 2,200. We are spending, so it's around in weekly we are around 6,500 clicks we are getting. Average CPC in the sense cost per click. It's a bidding strategy. See, per click cost per click for 4 rupees 54 paise. This is the bidding strategy for CPC. For every click, cost per click only it will be calculated. Every we are spending more budget per click. How much? That per click bidding strategy is CPC, cost per click. Okay, so around this, it's 29,634. It will be in the weekly cost. So it's showing this. There are also, if you don't do this 4233, you can go with 3389. Also, you are ready to spend budget, or you just go your own budget. Just select custom budget and start with 1,000 per day or 500 per day. Whatever you can start with 500 per day. So based on 500, you are getting your cost per click is 1.54 per click. Your weekly cost is 3,500. So daily it's around it's weekly 2,028 267 clicks you are getting like this. So these are the basic scenario for creating this. Once done, everything you're done, you just go to the next. So it's loading. So it's just completely reviewing here. The entire scenario is coming. It's checking for errors. If error will be there, it will be showing here. So we are creating the campaign tip. So it's checking for errors. Any errors will be there. So it's checking completely. So here this entirely this campaign name it's Arcade School, campaign type search, objective is website traffic, then subject lead form, bidding maximize clicks we can give, then networks Google search networks. So we are what we are creating this campaign, the entire thing will be loading here. We are adding four keywords, then budget we are taking 500, one ad will be created. So the completely will be there. Once it's checking for errors, then it's going to publish the campaign. Once publish the campaign, after you can just adding the budget and the campaign will start. So this is the format for running the any search campaign. For any business, you can create a campaign, the basic steps for the same steps only. Yeah, it's asking for its campaign is almost ready to publish. You just see here our campaign name Arcade School, campaign type search. We are selecting traffic campaign. Our bidding is clicks, maximize clicks. So we are selecting Google search network. Where target location Bangalore. So we are adding four keywords. So then we are creating one ad. Your budget 500 per day. So once everything done, then finally you click the publish. But I'm not doing this because if but publish it's going to review. But I'm not doing this. But next step, it's going when you create a campaign. You, after the step verifying this, you just give the publish button. Then you start with the campaign. Your campaign is going to run. Clear. Clear. Yeah. At last, we'll provide examples. Clear. Any doubts in this? Okay. So this is the step for complete search ad, Google search ad. This is a step for creating complete search ad. Any doubts? If any doubts, you can ask now. It's clear. Type clear. No doubts. Okay. Clear. Type clear. Okay. Clear. 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 Okay. 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 So this is the step for Google Ads. Yeah. Thank you. So this is the step for Google Ads. For Google Ads, you are creating campaign name and bidding and network and location and languages and ad schedule. Then keywords you are typing for keywords and budget. This is the step-by-step method finally to create a campaign. Got it? Clear? Okay. This is step for creating. So I just getting the same thing. I'm for this. First, you just log in into Google Ads. Just log in into Google Ads, then create a new campaign. Once you set the campaign goal, there will be multiple goals will be there: sales, leads, website traffic. Choose website traffic always for this. Then set up a campaign. So campaign settings, choose uncheck display network. Don't choose display network. Target location, geographic location in the sense which location you want to show ads. So that is geographic location. So example, in India, specific cities, which location you want to choose, you can choose. Language, which language you want your audience speaks, you can choose a language. That also. Budget, you can set daily budget per day. Bidding strategy, there will be multiple strategy will be there, but when you go for search ads, always choose maximize clicks. Okay, that is best for you. Then set up ad groups. So ad groups, if here you're going for affordable apartments, I'm creating for apartments. So just adding for keywords, relevant keywords related to this. Okay. So affordable flats Chennai, budget apartments Chennai, like that you are adding here, like okay. Then create your ad. For example, we are adding headlines, right? Affordable apartments in Chennai, 2 BHK starting 30 lakhs. Book a free visit. Like that, you are adding the multiple headlines, 3 headlines, and descriptions. You can. This business is for, I'm creating here for real estate. Okay. This is for real estate. I'm just adding for. Then final URL. Final URL like new. Then add extension. Site link extension, we are giving some information. Then call extension, location extension. You can add a multiple extension. And finally, you just give the review. Once done the review, so you just monitor. There will be multiple data you can monitor. Once after the campaign is running, you can check which data, how many people are clicking this, how many people are seeing this, how many convert click through it, how many people are getting good conversion, like CTR you are getting this, like that you can tracking here. Those data you can checking here. Then these are the improvements. Once it's not done, you can just pass underperforming keywords also. These are after the strategies. Creating the campaign is this strategies only. Okay, these are the steps for creating for the basic strategies. Okay, so here I'm given for real estate based examples, but I am given for this international school. Yeah, Wafa, at the end of the 15 days, you're getting certificate. Okay, Wafa. Okay. So this is okay, clear. So now we are going to get knowledge checking area. Just answer it. Which of the following is not a key component of Google search ad? D D D D D D D. Okay, I can answer the question again. Which of the following is not a key component of Google search ad? D D D. Ison is telling B. Okay. D D D D. Okay. D D. Okay. D D D D. Okay. D. Okay. Okay. I can reveal the answer. Most of the people are telling D. Yeah, D is the right answer. D is the right answer. Okay. Second question. What is the primary goal of SCM search ad campaign? B, 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 B. Okay. B. Okay. Okay. B. 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 Okay. B. Okay. B. B. Okay. B. 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 More answers. More answers. I think most people eyes are telling C. Okay. Baso is telling C. B. 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 Okay. Okay. Yeah, I can reveal the answer. The answer is B. It's drive targeted website traffic. Okay. Which of the following is an example of bidding strategy in Google Ads? Bidding strategy. CPC, CPC, B, 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 okay, B, 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 okay, B, 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 CPC, 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 B, 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 B. So the question, which of the following is example of bidding strategy in Google Ads? B, 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 okay. Yeah, more people are telling B. Yeah, B is the right answer. Cost per click is the good bidding strategy for this. Okay. Next question. What should you focus on when writing a headline for Google search ad? B, 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 okay, B, B, okay, B, 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 okay, B. Devigi is telling, I think it's A, okay. B, 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 okay. Gayatri is telling B, Santi is telling B, Santi is telling okay, B. More answers, more answers. B, 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 okay, B, B, Wafa is telling A. Okay. Okay. You can reveal the answer. The answer is B. Okay. Including keywords and user intent. Okay. That is important for us. How does geo-targeting improve the performance of SEM search ad? Yeah, 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 okay, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, yeah. So the question, yeah, again I will show the question. How does geo-targeting improve the performance of SEM search ad? Yeah, okay. Vikas is telling A, HK is telling A, Devaki A, Manish A, Lee A, Jamna is A, Dasini A. Okay. Most of the people telling A. Yeah, A is the right answer by showing ads to people in specific locations. Next question. Which metric helps you understand the effectiveness of your SEM ad campaign? Which metric helps you understand the effectiveness of SEM ad campaign? ACTR, ACTR, okay. Okay. Wow, this sad share. No, no, no. ACTR, okay, ACTR, A, 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 okay. CTR, CTR, CTR. Okay, CTR, CTR. Yeah, the answer is it's CTR, click to rate. Okay. What is the final URL in your search ad? Yeah, 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 okay, yeah, A or D, okay. A, of course, is the right answer. Okay, okay, yeah, okay. Dance is telling A, Gayatri is telling A, Himanshi is telling A, okay. Yeah, Okay. Most of people telling A. Okay. A. Yeah. A is the right answer. Okay. The landing page where the user is directed. Which of the following is a benefit of using ad extensions in search ads? B for sure. B. Okay. B, B. Okay. B. B. Hmm. B. B. Okay. B. More people are telling B. Okay. It's good. Yeah. B is the right answer. Provide additional links and information. One last final question. What does quality score in Google Ads? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 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 Okay. Yeah. Gayatri is telling D. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Nilesh is telling yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sneha is telling yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. More people are telling yeah. Expect more answers. So question please. I will show again. What does quality score in Google Ads affect? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So the answer is it's A. Okay. One last question I'm asking in the chat. Just type there. Okay. What is the character length of headline and descriptions? Character length. Headline and description. Okay. Devik is telling 30 and 90. 30 and Nilesh is telling 30 and 80. Okay. More answers 30 and 70. Gayatri. 30 and 60. Manish is 30 and 90. 30 to 100. Okay. Returns will share the already shared. Please check in previous link. 30 to 90. Okay. 30 90. Okay. 30 and 90. 30 90. Okay. Yeah. I think more people are telling the correct one only. I think some are telling 30 60, 30 70, with more answers from 30 to 90. Yeah, third headlines 30 characters and description 90 characters. That is the correct answer. Nice guys. Okay. Yeah, then how was the today's session? Okay, it's good. Okay. Snega, I think after 15 days we got the sessions topics right. Mostly. Using interesting, informative. That's nice. Okay. Excellent. Okay. Thank you very much. Useful. No Nilesh, no practicals. Assumptions are mind blowing. Okay. Assume please send attendance. Okay. Very much informative. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you. Yeah, attendance is shared. Please fill this attendance. Okay. Thank you, Sweta. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, Amar.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you, students. We'll see you tomorrow.